Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, after 2-0 win over Everton yesterday, we need to talk about what we saw. Second week running, this is what we saw. Make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe for brand new. We are very close to 1,000 subscribers. So do me a favor. Just hit the red button right down there and subscribe. It's totally free. It doesn't cost you anything. And we needed to grow the channel. So please, again, just hit the subscribe button. Manaz. What did we see with Manchester United versus Everton yesterday? What we saw was Bruno Fernandes bossing the midfield yet again, fam. The man was immense in the middle of the field. Played as a number 8, deeper than he normally plays, but he was flinging balls left, right, and center, fam. The passes this man out of his locker is immense, bro. It's absolutely immense. Listen, big up yourself, Bruno Fernandes. He got player of the match, and rightly so, fam. Bruno Fernandes, perfect performance. What we saw was Sancho using Everton as his own playing ground, fam. Man leaving 2 players on the floor, thinking, hey, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't have left home this morning. Because what this man is doing to us right now on the field is just, ew. Sancho, big up yourself, fam. It's your second performance in a row. You look so damn good. You look perfect for the spot and either wings, fam. Left, right, even down the middle. Listen, Sancho, what a pass. What a pass to get that goal from McTominay. Listen, man. Listen, Sancho, big up yourself. What we saw was Manchester United needs to be more clinical in front of goal. Rashford has 3 clear chances. Anthony, 3 clear chances. Don't get me talking about one big Saka, fam, and that open goal that he missed, fam. Manchester United needs to be more clinical in front of goal. This season is almost over. We have 9 games left before the season is over. Come next season, we need to have more people scoring more goals. Not 2, but 3, 4, 5. Because in games like this where we're creating so many chances, we need to have more goals. We need to score more goals. What we saw was Anthony Martial coming into the team, scoring a goal, making it 2-0. I'm not going to lie, I was happy for the man. He looked happy, he's smiling, and all the problems that's going on with his wife and his ex-wife, listen, he's just living life. But people, I am still worried because one sneeze could rupture his knee ligament hamstring, whatever that is. So we can't be too all in on Anthony Martial just yet. But from what we are seeing, from what we've seen in preseason, to every time he comes on the field, he gives us something different. And I love it. But again, one sneeze and in Papi Wola hamstring, in back, everything broke up. So let's be careful, let's be cautious. But big up yourself, Anthony Martial. And finally, what we saw was Marcus Rashford walking off injured. This was probably the worst news we could have had all season. Marcus Rashford is immense in scoring goals this season. He was on track to score 35 goals this season. Who would have thought that at the beginning of the season you would have thought Rashford coming in the 30 goals? But he would have. Don't see him coming back anytime soon. Eric Ten Hag said it sounds bad. Yeah, it looked bad. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm hoping it's some good news tomorrow or Tuesday or Monday. But it looks rough. And as Eric Ten Hag said his post-match press conference, it's the FA and the Premier League's fault, fam. They can't schedule Manchester United to play 3 games in 6 days. That's just wrong. That's just... Anyway, people, bless up yourself, bless up others. Manaz.